महामेनी मेधाविन त्वदीयं स्वागतम कुर्मः। अपने विशिष्ट गणमान्य व्यक्तियों, मुख्य अतिथियों, विश्व भारती प्रबंध समिति के सभी सदस्यों और आदत जनों का इस वार्षिकोत्सव प्रतिभा पुंज में हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं।
May I also extend a very warm welcome to other invited guests, proud parents, press and TV delegates. We welcome everybody and hope that this annual day will definitely be a very memorable experience and a real treat for your eyes today.
शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीपो ज्योति नमोस्तुते।
We present before you Concord of Sound, the orchestra by the Vishwa Bharatiyans.
Now, to give a soulful start to today's proceedings, we begin with the most auspicious and pious Ganesh Vandana. So ladies and gentlemen, get ready to turn a bit tangy with the tiny tots. Dancing, dancing toes.
Bailando el ritmo ragatanga. El DJ del inmenso on the spot. Always around to raise the mix that they gon' mix con la salsa. Y la baila, and he dances, y la canta. Y hace heaven to the heaven, say you know mama, be and the boogie and the boogie. Hace heaven to the heaven, say you know mama, be and the boogie and the boogie. Hace
I would like to call up the students of pre-primary to perform this story dramatization, a dance in the forest.
One day, some of the birds were having a discussion about the ways animals live. The parrot says, "Look at me, I don't eat any bird or animal. I just like fruits. I hate looking at these animals as they hunt other animals." I agree with you. I eat the small insects that do harm to others. But that doesn't mean that I'm like these animals. You are right. I protect trees by eating the white ants under their bark. If you don't do this, so many trees would have been eaten away by these white ants and other insects.
By our General Secretary Sir, Shri A.K. Bhatt. May I take the opportunity to request Nancy ma'am to please escort him to the stage.
May I, on behalf of all Vishwa Bhartiyans, take this opportunity to welcome one and all to the Vishwa Pratibha Punj, the annual day of our Dwarka school. The Vishwa Bharati institution was first established at Ranawari, Srinagar, Kashmir in the year 1951, and since then it has been a saga of continuous growth, struggle and development. Besides devotion, purpose and well-specified objectives of imparting education to our women, thereby making them conscious of their development and growth in the society. As a consequence of the turmoil which engulfed the valley in the year 1989, we had to temporarily shift out our campus to Jammu. Subsequently, the Vishwa Bharati spread its wings and established its institutions at Dwarka, Greater Noida and Noida. Not only that, the Women's Degree College Senior Secondary Girls School continued to function at Srinagar, even during the period of turmoil. But we established B.Ed College and the Higher Secondary School at Jammu. Besides imparting quality education without any exaggeration, we can boast with a fair amount of satisfaction that the Vishwa Bharati Women's Welfare Institution is being counted among the premier institutions of our country, which caters to educational and social cultural needs of women. The march is on, and the process of further expansion of the institution to other places is in the offing. Thank you very much.
Talent, intelligence, adaptability and awareness all are the hallmarks of Vishwa Bhartiyans. And I must say, they have portrayed it very well throughout the year. So, here we are with an endeavor to reach the zenith. An impression of great and continuous working of the school, emblazoned of hard work, sincerity and silent devotion towards all our responsibilities. Now, may I take the opportunity to call our respected Principal Ma'am to present the annual school report. Also, may I request Ritu Ma'am to please escort her to the stage.
We, the Vishwa Bhartiyans, are committed to providing education of head, hands and heart in the truest sense, and would like to translate this commitment in the form of this annual day, Vishwa Pratibha Punj. I know you all are looking forward to seeing your loved ones perform, so I would like to stand between you and them. However, there are certain milestones crossed and achievements attained, which I would like to put into words. The landmark one being our school getting upgraded to senior secondary affiliated to CBSE. We have offered science and commerce stream as of now and would be adding other subject options subsequently. With utmost pride, I would like to share with you that a secondary school batch of session 2009-10 made us proud by giving 100% result. 95.52 aggregate percentage of students got 95.5 to 60 indicative percentage of marks. The average indicative score was 7.8 and average indicative percentage of marks was 74.1%. Our school magazine, Vishwa Darpan, will be with you very shortly. It will share with you our students' acquaintances, associations, participations, laurels, achievements, and honors. Besides sustaining the momentum of this session, we sincerely assure you of scaling new heights. The two-way, open, judicious and healthy interaction between parents and school cements the relationship, and may I today put on record our sincere gratitude to our parents and well-wishers. Our children have participated and rehearsed quite hard to make you feel proud of them. Today, it is not the best alone who will find their presence on the stage, because we firmly believe that better can become best given the right stimulation and exposure. The shy and inhibited ones have also made a deliberate effort to come forward. So please be forthcoming and enthusiastic in your appreciation. May I also take this opportunity to ask all of you to please remain seated till the end of today's program. This would go a long way in encouraging our students and teachers. Happy Vishwa Pratibha Punj viewing. Thank you so much.
अनेकता में एकता भारत की विशेषता। भारत का प्रत्येक राज्य अपने रंगारंग त्योहारों और नृत्य की संस्कृति से भरा पड़ा है, जिसने महाकवि को लिखने पर मजबूर किया। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसके, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा।
So, ladies and gentlemen, we present before you all a gist of all the four corners of a prestigious land in the form of mesmerizing dance performances, Vishwa Pratibha Punj.